We are so incredibly happy to be here in San Diego to celebrate our 25th anniversary of HFA serving the bleeding disorders community for 25 years.
We have beautiful weather. We're looking out and watching these boats sail by.
Coming together in San Diego for our 25th anniversary has been just amazing. It's been a wonderful opportunity to come together and really be connected as a family and celebrate our 25th year.
This year at Symposium, our theme is the best of us, and we are particularly excited about that because of what it represents. We've come from really hard times, a lot of change and evolution.
Our theme this year really speaks to the strength of our community, and that's something I am surprised by and moved by over and over again. That strength is a common thread in our community, and that's what I really think the best of us means.
The resilience of this community is the thing that has just astonished me. It's amazing.
We have truly become the most resilient rare disease community out there.
Everybody has their own personal experience having a bleeding disorder. One of the more powerful things I think about being at Symposium is when you see all of those people together. They're one of many.
Everyone here is like we're all brothers, all sisters, all with a common issue. That is not really an issue when we come together with that.
The thing that always amazed me about HFA, everybody said this is a family. I still hear that today, as big as it is.
It's like family. Feels like I'm just coming to my home away from home.
We're an ongoing organization that's done what it's always done best. That really is bringing families together.
Every time I come here, I learn a lot that will help me get a better understanding of how to help my son and other people.
That we're giving you tools in your tool belt so that you can apply them to your own life, but also to the friends and family members that are part of your circle.
So programming and education for us has always been twofold. It's been about connecting from a peer support perspective and learning.
Come here and get the education that they're looking for.
HFA's mission is to assist, educate, and advocate. And you get to meet and see the people who are not only engaging in the mission, but also who are being directly affected by it.
Attending Symposium and being part of this community has definitely helped me raise my boys to be better men and help me to be a better mom towards them.
I want to come every year. HFA is doing a wonderful job educating people and allowing them the opportunity to be connected.
We worked really hard to put together a program to serve members of every part of the bleeding disorders community.
I've learned so much about the different bleeding disorders that I never knew before.
The education is invaluable. What we get here, you just can't really get anywhere else.
HFA is incredibly proud to recognize the history of the bleeding disorders community through our history exhibit this year.
HFA at its core has a policy, and it's lest we forget. We need to honor our past, and we need to honor and respect where we came from.
This year's Symposium, we've brought together a collection of artifacts and a really rigorous timeline of our community history, and I know it's important to HFA as an organization to make sure that this story is told.
It took a lot to get where we are today. There were a lot of things, some good, some very, very bad, that has allowed us to become the community that we have today.
HFA has and always will have a really strong dedication to our history and to the preservation of that story.
Oh my God. We're going to be in the Smithsonian.
The collection that we have put together is going to be really well taken care of for a very long time.
I'm speechless over it. It's so important that somebody maintains and preserves the history in a place that we know will be safe.
The exhibit hall gives our attendees an opportunity to interact with companies, learn about new products and new therapies coming down the pipeline.
Our exhibit hall is one of the greatest opportunities for interaction with community members and some of our industry partners and friends.
We had a challenge this year to really plan an event to live up to a 25-year celebration of HFA, and we will be partying on the flight deck of the USS Midway, ending with a spectacular fireworks show to culminate the night.
Feel the theme of family is profoundly reverberating throughout every single person. There's so much excitement, energy, generosity, love, and support that is just pouring out And I'm so thrilled and happy and kind of sad that it's the last day.
The future's exciting because there's so many changes in technology.
I feel like we're on the threshold of something big in science advancement.
The biggest reason for us to look at the past 25 years and to really appreciate where we're at now. You see some young children running through that wouldn't have been running through an exhibit hall 25 years ago. It's a way for us to honor the past and appreciate what we have now and what we can see in the future.